Good morning, dear students. We have completed 5 schools: Rajasthani School of Art, Pahadi School of Art, Mughal School of Art, Deccan School of Art, Bengal School of Art. Now we will start the modern trend in Indian art. The modern trend in Indian art divided into 3 parts. Number 1, painting. Number 2, graphic prints. Number 3, sculptures. From today, we will be going through the paintings of modern trend in Indian art. Now, first of all, we will take Rama Vanquishing the Pride of the Ocean, made by Raja Ravi Verma. Period, mid-19th century AD. Medium, oil on canvas. Courtesy, Lalit Kala Academy, New Delhi. Collection, Chitrashala, Mysore. Subject matter: this painting is based on an episode of Valmiki's Ramayana. After preparing his forces for invading Lanka to recover Sita, Rama was held up by the sea and his army was separated from Lanka. Attempts to build a bridge were failed by the angry ocean. Rama threatened Varuna, the god of ocean, that he would destroy him if he didn't allow the bridge to be built. Only then his forces could cross the ocean to reach Lanka. Description: this painting, Rama Vanquishing the Pride of the Ocean, shows Rama's anger at the god of the sea for not cooperating in his attempt to build a bridge to Lanka. The unbeatable Ram picks up his bow in anger at the sea god and is ready to place an arrow at the string. At this, Varna, along with his companions, rushes to pacify Ram. Angry Ram is standing sternly, his face shown in profile with eyes popping out. A bolt of lightning in the dark cloudy sky enhances the effect of the upcoming rage of Ram. This moment of action is frozen in the painting with contrasting balance and dynamism at the same time. There is turbulence in the waves where the engraised figure of the sea rises from water. The waves hitting the rocks at the shore, where Ram stands from thick foam. The posture of the figure and their flirting garments depicts the stormy atmosphere. Due to his commotion disorder, there is a fourth in the middle of composition. The contrast between the textures of solid rocks where Ram is standing and the anxious sea is rightly portrayed. Color scheme: Raja Ravi Verma was one of the pioneering artists who began to use oil colors as the medium of art under European influence. In this painting, colors are warm and muted. Muted means gentle, with mostly brown, yellow, and orange tones. White is skillfully used in lightning. Rain's loincloths, his only garments, and the frothy sea. The 3 figures of the sea are colorful. It is mostly the play of textures that has a major role to bring about the desired effect. Students, you must learn this painting with these notes. Thanks, dear students. Stay blessed, stay healthy.